Hello, welcome to Brilliant Engineer Reviews. Today's lesson is about the standard form of the equation of a hyperbola. The standard form of the equation of a hyperbola is the following. X minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. Now this particular form is a hyperbola open to the x-axis, as shown in this graph. This is the y-axis and the x-axis. Now, assuming the center is here, we should have an equal distance from this vertex to this vertex. Okay, so let's say this is the center H and K. Which are these points here? Now let's call this point the focus of this part of the hyperbola. And this point focus 1. So we have multiple parameters here that we need to define. First is the distance between the focus and the center, and we call this distance A. So the total distance between the two foci is 2A. Actually, this is not accurate. This is 2C. 2C. So the distance between the focus and the center is C, not A. The distance between the vertex and the center is A. So this is 2A. Now there are two diagonal lines that are tangent to the hyperbola and pass through the center from this other side as well. Tangent to the hyperbola and pass through the center, and they are called the asymptote. The distance from the vertex to the asymptote from the positive y and negative y. Total distance is 2b. Okay. Now if this hyperbola is open to the y-axis instead of the x-axis, it's difficult to draw accurately with this pen. Then what's going to change in this formula is that the a squared will be under the y variable and the b squared will be under the x variable, and the a squared is the major axis, b squared is the minor axis. So whatever number is greater under the x or under the y, you'll know that the hyperbola is opened under that respective variable. So if a squared, if this number is higher, let's say 8, and this is 4, then we know this hyperbola is open to the x-axis. If it's the other way around, it's open to the y-axis. If this is 8 and this is 4, it will be open to the y-axis. Okay, let's do an example. What is the major and minor axes of this hyperbola? Okay, the value under the a is greater, so we know this is the a and this is the b, a squared and b squared, and this hyperbola is open to the x-axis. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and we know that the major axis is 2a, which is 10, and the minor axis is 2b, which is 6. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has made you a little bit happier.